In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Shinkansen tickets online. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the official booking website or app for the route you plan to travel. This is important because different Shinkansen routes may be managed by different JR companies, such as JR Central, JR East, or JR West. Make sure you choose the service that matches your destination, so you can see the correct trains, schedules, and booking options. Once you're on the right booking platform, create an account if the service requires one. Some websites may also let you continue as a guest, which can be a little faster if you don't want to register. Either option works, so just follow the prompts available on the site you're using. Next, enter your travel details carefully. You'll need to choose your departure station, your destination, your travel date, and your preferred departure time. Take a moment to double check everything here, because even a small mistake in station selection or date can affect your booking. After that, browse the available train schedule and select the train that best fits your plans. You may see multiple departures close together, so look at the time, route, and any transfer information if applicable before choosing. Once you've selected your train, choose the ticket type you want. In many cases, you'll be able to pick between a reserved seat, a non-reserved seat, if that option is available, or a green car seat, which is the first class option and usually offers more space and comfort. The best choice depends on your budget, travel style, and how busy the route is expected to be. Then enter the number of passengers and review your itinerary. This is a good time to confirm the stations, date, train time, and seat type before moving on. Reviewing everything now can help you avoid problems later. When everything looks correct, complete the payment using an accepted credit card or any other payment method offered by the booking service. Be sure to wait for the payment to fully process and for the confirmation screen to appear. After your purchase is complete, you'll receive a booking confirmation. From there, follow the instructions provided to collect your ticket, use a QR code, or add the booking to a compatible mobile app, depending on the system you used. Finally, arrive at the station before your departure time and board the correct Shinkansen using your ticket or digital pass. Giving yourself a little extra time at the station can make the process much smoother, especially if it's your first time traveling by Shinkansen.